Eating healthy is expensive, right? Not if you know what you're doing. Today, I'm breaking down how to eat healthy without going broke, with real tips, cheap foods, and zero diet BS. You don't need fancy supplements or $18 salads. You just need a simple plan, smart swaps, and a few budget-friendly habits. Let's make healthy eating work for real life, even if you're broke or busy. Tip 1. Buy cheap, whole ingredients. Rice, beans, oats, eggs, frozen veggies, cabbage, sweet potatoes. These are cheap, versatile, and nutrient-dense, the backbone of any budget meal plan. Tip 2. Cook at home, don't fear simple. You don't need to be a chef. One-pan meals, stir-fries, and oven trays are your friend. Cooking at home gives you control, saves money, and cuts processed junk. Try this. $2 of rice plus beans equals 3 full meals. Tip 3. Shop smart. Don't shop hungry. Make a list. Look for store-brand items, sales, and bulk deals. Skip bottled drinks, snack packs, and pre-chopped stuff. One trip with a solid list can feed you for days. Tip 4. Prep in batches. Meal prep sounds intense, but it's really just cooking more at once. Make a big pot of beans. Roast all your veggies. Store in containers, mix and match through the week. No more expensive last-minute takeout. Focus on nutrition, not trends. Forget the diet fads. You don't need superfood berries. Stick to real food, balance your plate, and hydrate. That's it. Healthy eating isn't about rules, it's about consistency and simplicity. Healthy eating on a budget isn't just possible, it's powerful. You feel better, save money, and build habits that actually last. Start small. Pick one meal. Build from there. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your go-to cheap healthy food? I'll be dropping more budget-friendly meal ideas every week, so stick around.